Good day, everyone. Yes, this is a very sensitive question before us. And here we're asked to show that the whole of this plus 4 is equal to 8 in less than 2 minutes. Now, solution. So let's consider what is in the square. Yes, the whole of this now will be log 350 times 2 divided by 7 base 10 all squared. Now we have plus 4. Now this is the same as saying log 700 all over 7 base 10, yes, plus 4. And here we have log 100 base 10 plus 4. So this is the same as saying log 100. Now remember the square of all this, yes, the square of this now. So here this will be 2 log 10 raised to the power of 2 base 10. Then here we have all squared plus 4. So this is the same as saying 2 log 10 base 10, yes, plus, that's the square of this, plus 4. So here this is 2 square because log 10 base 10 is 1. So 2 square plus 4. And 2 square is 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So we have actually shown that the whole of this plus 4 is equal to 8 in less than 2 minutes. Thank you so much.